Zen Health Vibes, how spinach can help seniors sleep better. Have you ever wondered why you wake up at 2 or 3 a.m., even when you skip that extra glass of water before bed? If you're a senior in America, India, or anywhere else, you might think it's just aging. But here's a surprising truth. A small, everyday habit, like eating certain foods at the wrong time, could be stealing your rest. One of those foods? Spinach. Yes, that leafy green we all love for its health benefits can disrupt sleep if eaten incorrectly. But when used wisely, it can help you sleep deeply and wake refreshed. Today, I'll share how to make spinach your ally for better nights. First, let's connect. Drop a comment below and tell me where you're watching from and what time it is. If this resonates, hit subscribe and give it a like to spread the calm. Why do seniors wake up so often at night? As we age, our bodies change in subtle ways that affect sleep. Melatonin, the hormone that signals rest, naturally decreases, making deep sleep harder to achieve. Meanwhile, the bladder becomes more sensitive, sending urgent signals even from small amounts of fluid. This creates a cycle where the brain craves rest, but the body keeps waking you up. Daily habits can make this worse. Drinking water or eating watery fruits like watermelon or oranges late in the evening can overwork the kidneys at night. Salty snacks like chips or pickles increase thirst, leading to more fluids before bed. Heavy or late dinners also strain digestion, which slows after 60. When your stomach is still working while you're trying to sleep, bloating or discomfort can pull you awake. Take Meena, a 68-year-old grandmother from Mumbai. For years, she woke up 3 times a night, blaming age. Her doctor noticed she ate a large spinach salad at 9 p.m., thinking it was healthy. Raw spinach late at night was taxing her digestion and bladder. By switching to a lighter, earlier dinner with cooked spinach, Meena cut her wake-ups to once a night. Her mornings felt brighter and her energy returned. Small changes, big impact. Spinach, a sleep-supporting superfood. Spinach isn't just for strength, it's a sleep booster when used right. Here's why. Magnesium. This mineral relaxes muscles and calms the nervous system, reducing nighttime cramps that wake seniors. A cup of cooked spinach provides a solid dose of magnesium for peaceful rest. Tryptophan and folate. Tryptophan helps produce serotonin, which soothes the mind, while folate supports melatonin production. Together, they guide your brain toward calm. Iron and vitamin K. These nutrients improve circulation, ensuring oxygen reaches your brain and muscles, preventing restless legs or morning fatigue. Research backs this up. A 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that higher magnesium intake improved sleep duration in seniors. Low folate levels, common in older adults, are linked to insomnia, but spinach can help fill the gap. By eating spinach wisely, you nourish your body's natural sleep rhythm. Common mistakes with spinach at night. Even a superfood like spinach can backfire if eaten incorrectly. Here are 3 mistakes seniors often make. Eating raw spinach late at night. Raw spinach is high in fiber and oxalates, which can slow digestion and cause bloating in older adults. This leads to discomfort that disrupts sleep. Steam or sauté spinach for easier digestion. Pairing with milk or tea. Dairy and tea, due to tannins, can block the absorption of spinach's iron and magnesium. Enjoy these drinks an hour or 2 after your spinach meal to maximize benefits. Eating too late. After 60, digestion slows. A large spinach dish after 8 p.m. can linger in your stomach, delaying melatonin release. Aim for dinner by 6 or 7 p.m. Consider John, a 70-year-old from Chicago. He loved a late-night spinach salad, but woke up bloated and restless. After moving his spinach to a 6:30 p.m. cooked side dish, his sleep improved within a week. Timing and preparation matter. How to eat spinach for restful sleep. To make spinach your sleep ally, follow these tips. Time it right. Eat spinach at an early dinner around 6 or 7 p.m., giving your body time to digest before bed. Cook it gently. Steam or sauté spinach with a drizzle of olive oil to soften fibers and boost nutrient absorption. Try a warm spinach soup for comfort. Pair smartly. Combine spinach with magnesium-rich pumpkin seeds or slow-digesting brown rice to enhance serotonin production. Avoid caffeine sources like tea or chocolate at night, as they counteract spinach's calming effects. Keep it moderate. 1 cup of cooked spinach 3 to 4 times a week is enough to support sleep without overwhelming digestion. Picture this: a cozy plate of sautéed spinach with garlic, a side of brown rice, and a few almonds. It's simple, nourishing, and sets the stage for deep rest. Inspiring stories of change. In Hyderabad, 73-year-old Anil struggled with sleepless nights, waking every few hours. Skeptical but curious, he tried eating cooked spinach at 6:30 p.m. instead of late salads. Within 10 days, he slept 6 hours straight, energized to play with his grandkids. In Texas, 69-year-old Susan relied on sleeping pills until she added a spinach soup to her early dinners. With her doctor's guidance, she reduced her medication, waking refreshed and reclaiming her mornings. These stories show that small tweaks, like eating spinach the right way, can restore restful nights. Supportive habits for better sleep. Spinach works best alongside these habits. Evening walks. A 10-minute stroll after dinner aids digestion and reduces nighttime bathroom trips. In India, seniors enjoy park walks. In America, a neighborhood loop feels grounding. Limit screens. Blue light from phones or TVs lowers melatonin. Swap late-night scrolling for a book or soft music. Cool your room. Keep your bedroom at 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit for deeper sleep. Light bedding and a fan help. Mindful breathing. 5 minutes of slow breathing before bed lowers stress, enhancing spinach's calming nutrients. Your path to restful nights. My friends, spinach isn't just a vegetable. It's a gentle partner for better sleep when eaten early and cooked lightly. Pair it with simple habits like walking, avoiding screens, and breathing deeply, and you'll wake to brighter mornings. This isn't medical advice. If sleep troubles persist, consult your doctor for personalized care. Before you go, tell me in the comments which topic calls to you. Type 1 for weak bones, 2 for memory and dementia, or 3 for boosting brain power. If this helped, subscribe, tap the bell, and share it with someone who needs peaceful rest. Together, let's spread the gift of calm and vibrant health. Namaste and sweet dreams.